YouTube? Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Friday, guys. Friday, January 5th. Already 5 days into the year, guys.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just calling. You know I try to hold on to it.
So today what I want to talk about a little bit, guys, I want to talk about being consistent. Staying consistent. You know, if you want to have a better 2019, guys, it starts with consistency. Barbering has a lot to do with consistency. If you're not constant in everything that you do and vigilant in everything that you do, you're not going to be consistent. You know, in order to be consistent, you have to develop a mindset of getting up early, showering, getting yourself ready to go to work, having your 5 days of work and concentrate on those 5 days. You know, those 5 days are your days to make money, to progress. You know, and if you're young, it should be 6 days. You should be working 6 days. You know, trying to get ahead. If you're not trying to get ahead, then what are you doing? You know, you're gonna stay where you're always gonna be at. You know, you want to be behind somebody's chair for the rest of your life, and I mean that's fine. Or do you want to advance? You want to get better? You want to get to a higher level? You want to be the main guy at the shop, and then from the main guy, then you can progress into trying to get in your own shop. You know, becoming a barbershop owner. But it all starts with consistency, guys. And for you young guys, it starts off with being consistent and just showing up to work every day, showing up on time, showing up and producing and doing good haircuts, and just being consistent in the way your customers approach you. You know, are you there every single time your customer shows up at the shop? Are you there on time every time you have an appointment? Are you consistent on keeping your appointments and making sure you finish your haircuts before your next appointment comes in? It's all about consistency, guys. In order to be good in this business, it starts and ends with consistency, guys. And if you guys just think about that for today, keep that word in your head. It's consistency. It's just, you know, barbering has a lot to do with just being consistent. You just be there, show up, do the same thing every day, grind hard, grind better, and eventually you're gonna get there. Trust me, guys. So I'm headed to the shop, get started on this day, guys. I hope you guys are grinding today. Today is Friday. Today is a money day. I would have to say that one of the main things to being a good barber and getting established and having your shop opened up and is just being consistent, guys. Being consistent in how you work, how you open, how you provide services, how you provide everything for your barbershop, for your business, because it is your business. And when it's your business, you know, like me personally, I want my stuff, I don't want to call it shit, but I want my shop to run the best that it possibly can when I'm there and when I'm not there, at all times, you know. And that's the key to wanting to be consistent. Consistency is key to being successful. I hope that makes sense. Hope that helps you guys. You know, just something to think about. Look up the definition and just, you know, just try to be the best that you can and be consistent. Be consistent every day. You know, you have to grind hard every chance you get, every haircut you get. Do the best that you can. Do the best possible haircut that you can on that guy, so that he'll come back to you again, and he will. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to the shop, finish off this day. It's already about 1 o'clock. We have a full crew at the shop today. So, no, I didn't expect it to be too busy, so it's been kind of slow. Not gonna lie, I've only done like 1 or 2 haircuts. So, but I did record, I got myself my model for the fast fade. I did him right now, videotaped it. The haircut came out good, but it took me exactly 15 minutes. So that's a little bit of a problem. We still got about 3 weeks before the competition, so I got one more chance to really time them out. So, you know, I think it's going to be a good haircut for the competition. I think it's going to work out good. He's about 17-year-old youngster, so I think it's going to be good. All right, guys. Alright guys, that's it for today. This day is over. This Friday ended up getting pretty busy. For having 6 barbers, we stayed pretty consistently busy. The good thing is I'm pretty booked up for tomorrow. I think I only have like maybe 2 or 3 slots for tomorrow, so the appointment thing is going good for me. I mean, us for never having appointments, it's moving along. But just to close out for today's topic about being consistent, guys, and this is what I'm talking about, being consistent. Being consistent sometimes means sitting at your shop and waiting for customers to come in. You know, you never know. You can't always expect to be busy, and even when it's slow, you have to maintain at your shop and be there. And you know, and if you're not busy, get on your phone and start letting people know. Mess up your timeline. Go on there, go on your Instagram and go to all the local businesses and start liking everybody's pictures. And I guarantee you, people are gonna see your cuts. Post pictures of your cuts, you know, and you know, motivate yourself. It's all about being consistent. Not only just being at work, but showing up, doing good work, and doing what you're supposed to be doing. You know, that's what it's all about, guys. On another brighter note, guys, this is coming up pretty soon. My Gold FX review. I'm gonna try to have it done to you guys. Probably I'm gonna have it on my day off this week, on Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm gonna try to finish it off. So I'm doing a lot of haircuts with this machine right now, and as I'm doing the haircuts with this machine, I'm really liking it. Today I did a haircut on an ethnic haircut, which is, you know, a black haircut, and black person's haircut, and guys, this thing it works really good. It works really good. I'm starting to change my mind about it a little bit. It's a little bit big, a little bit bulky, but the battery lasts a long time. You know, I like the fact that I only charge it up once a day. So stay tuned for that review. On another note, guys, that's it for tonight. About to close it out. One last thing, guys, I want to give a shout out to Rose City Barbershop over there in Portland, Oregon. Those boys over there, I heard that the whole shop's following the channel, so it's kind of cool. I already got, you know, there's different guys that have already been messaging me. One guy today made a video, Roman, that inspired by one of my hyperlapse videos. It's cool, bro. I love that. I love that you guys are watching and you guys are you know, that somebody's paying attention. That's awesome. And you know, shout out to you guys. If you guys don't know Rose City Barbers in Portland, guys, check them out on Instagram. You saw it on my thing right there. Those guys are all good. They get down over there. There's fire in that shop. I can tell. All right, guys. With that being said, that's it for tonight. I appreciate everybody watching. Hey, guys, remember, smash that thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, guys. I want those algorithms to go up. So in order for those algorithms to go up, we need to get thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Everybody. Thank you. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys mañana.